Wow, amazing. What do you think, viewers? I think that's an awesome job done.
Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm hoping you've had a lovely weekend with a lot of families coming together and making a lot of good memories. Today Vedika is going to join us and Vedika is going to teach us a very nice photo frame.
Hi, Vedika.
Hello. Okay,
Hi.
so I'm 10 years old. Today we're going to be making this.
Wow, that's wonderful.
So,
So,
so
viewers,
this is called assemblage art. We can make this with waste material, so it's really easy to make.
okay,
To make this, we need cardboard. Even paper is fine. We need some crepe paper, some thread or even tape, some thick paper, some ice cream sticks, so a pair of scissors, a pencil, some glue, a sponge, some paints, brushes, some decorative items, some water, a palette, and a palette. So I'm going to take the thick paper and I'm going to start rolling it. So make sure your rolls are very tight. All your rolls should be the same size. So it shouldn't be like some are big and some are small. So now I'm going to tighten it with my finger. Now I'm
okay,
going to take the glue and I'm just going to put it on the edge, nowhere else, only on the edge. So make sure your roll is equal size. So like this, we're supposed to make 4 rolls. But I have 4 rolls ready. So yeah. Yeah, now we're going to be taking the cardboard you have. Now we're going to take the photo and we're going to place it to create the frame. Now I've marked the place for my photograph. I'm going to start by cutting these rolls. So I'm going to measure the size of my photograph and cut it. So I have some ready here. I cut the other one as well to fit the size.
okay,
Now we're going to be sticking it. Now we're going to start by making the shutters. So this, you see, we're going to make these. I'm
okay,
using, I'm using these foam candy sticks. If you have
okay.
wood ones, that'll do as well. Even paper will do. So I'm gonna measure the size. So I
Yeah,
want them to be approximately this big. So there. Make sure these are the same size. So you put it on top of the other and just cut it. I'm gonna make 5 on each side. Alright, so I have these ready. We don't need the smaller ones, we can throw them. I'm going to start with painting it. So I'm going to paint the shutters white as well. Please don't stick them like this because we need to show it like it's opening. So there. Now I'm going to leave this for drying. Now I'm going to make sure your hands are clean and they're not dirty at all because we're going to start making the flowers. So so here we're going to be making these flowers now
Okay.
out of the crepe paper.
I thought they were ready-made, yeah, Vedika.
No, we've made them.
Wow.
So your base should be clean at all times. So first, I'm going to show you how to make the small ones.
Okay.
So, so for that, I will cut a square. So we're going to use this one. So first
Okay.
we'll fold it like this in half. Fold it in half. We will first fold it in half. Then we will fold it like into another half. So you will get a square.
Hmm.
Now the cutting is now you're going to fold it like this. So into a triangle.
Okay.
Now we need to make sure and be very careful with the cutting, as so first we fold it like this. Now make sure the one with only two folds will be the one where you cannot cut. So your you should cut like this. We need to make a half heart.
Half heart.
So like that.
Okay.
So these are your two flowers. We will take the first petal and the first petal of this. We will stick them together. Now
Okay.
we have to make them look 3D. So we will fold them from the center.
Okay.
We'll make a small point here. And now we will stick the other two like that.
All right.
So now we got a flower, but to make it 3D and look real, we're going to hold it from the bottom, the middle where everything's connected. And now we will make the folds, the inner folds. We will make it like this. So first we take the middle of two flowers. So we will take this, we will fold it and we will hold it tight. Then we will fold this and hold it tight and do it for all. Now don't leave it.
Okay.
Now we will take tape and we will stick it, tape the bottom, the stem part. We can also stick it slightly with the glue for the tape to not open up. Now we're going to be sticking the flowers. Now I'm going to start painting it. Now I'm taking sponge. I'm going to dab it, take the paint, and I'm going to start.
Okay.
We can use pink. We can make a bit of pink.
I think viewers, we should really give a big hand to Vedika because being a child, she's handling the stress of time, which I don't think any of us are good at. But she's yet taking it very positively, and she told me, no, no, of course we can finish it.
Keep taking the water and spreading it.
Till Vedika's painting, everyone who is going to make this photo frame, please do send it to us so that we can feature it on our platform.
Okay, now we're going to be taking some decorative items that I mentioned. So I have some shells here.
Okay.
I'm just going to be placing it. We can use some beads. Now we place the photo.
Wow, amazing. What do you think, viewers? I think that's an awesome job done. Thank you so much, Vedika. Awesome job done. I think it was very well explained and I love those flowers. I don't think I can make them. I'm going to try them. I'm going to send it to you.
Yeah.
Yes? Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Vedika, for being here and teaching us how to make a lovely photo frame. Viewers, capture all these fun memories of the lockdown in this. Thank you, Vedika, again. Viewers, see you tomorrow for a fun Harry Potter session. Bye-bye.
Bye.